Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by assembling materials and cutting a pattern to size. Measure your head and add 1 to 1. 5 cm for seam allowance. Lay fabric right sides together, pin pattern pieces, and cut carefully so edges match. Apply interfacing to brim pieces for structure. This is important because it keeps shape over time. Once cut, label each piece so you won't mix panels. Make sure to keep the Docker logo stencil handy for placement later. Now you assemble the hat body. So crown panels together, pressing seams as you go to maintain a smooth curve. Once the dome is sewn, baste it to the brim opening to check alignment, then permanently stitch, trimming excess fabric and clipping curves so it sits flat. Turn the brim right side out, understitch the inner seam, and top stitch for a polished edge. Make sure to try the hat on mid-construction so you can adjust crown height or brim tilt before finishing. Finish by positioning the Docker logo where it reads comfortably when worn. Use heat transfer vinyl or embroider for permanence. Sew the lining separately, then insert and hand slip stitch along the inner seam for a clean finish. Press the entire hat gently to set shape and top stitch brim if desired for extra strength. If you see puckering, ease fabric with gentle steam, reduce machine thread tension, or rebase the seam. These steps correct misalignment without starting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.